how to replace the fog lights and how to switch from halogen bulbs to LEDs. Go to Boslla.com or Amazon to order LEDs for your car or truck. The link and a discount coupon are in the description. These LEDs are made for 2009 through 2014 Ford F150s. I will only be replacing the fog lights during this video, which are in the bumper of the truck. This is a very easy job, no tools are required, and there is no need to open the hood of the truck. The Boslla LEDs are made from aluminum. They have a fan to dissipate the heat, and the long cable makes them very practical. In addition, these LEDs are brighter than halogen bulbs, require less energy, and the best part is that they're so easy to install. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. To start off, rotate the tires for better clearance. After that, you'll find the fog lamps right away. Some trucks may require you to remove an inner plastic cover. To remove the old bulbs, simply pull on the plastic pin and then disconnect the power cable. After that, turn counterclockwise to remove the bulb. Note that you shouldn't touch a halogen bulb with your bare fingers, or it can cause premature wear on the bulb. Instead, use gloves if the bulb still works and if you're planning on saving it. Are LED lights better than halogen lights? That you'll see later in the video and you can draw your own conclusion. Now grab the new LED bulb and turn clockwise to lock it in place. Now adjust the beam pattern. Refer to the manual for more info. Then simply plug the power cable. You can also apply some bulb grease to the cable terminals to protect against humidity and rust. Lastly, the manual recommends drilling a hole into the dust cover for cooling. Here you can see the difference between the halogen and the 6500K LEDs. The fan spins for heat dissipation, but drilling a small hole is still highly recommended for cooling. Now do the same procedure for the other bulb. Here I'm driving using only the halogen lights, and as you can see, they're not that powerful. Now I have the LEDs on, and you can see the difference between the halogen and the LEDs. The color temperature and the intensity are greater. They are brighter and wider. Those 6500 Kelvin and the 7200 lumens really make a difference. Up next, a few before and after clips. In my opinion, it's a good decision to switch from halogen to LEDs, especially since it's a newer technology. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to watch more content, and thank you for watching.